always be,
always be, always be
the best part of me.
part of me, part of me.
I said you will always be,
Always be, always be
the best part of me.
part of me, part of me.
You will always be,
the best
part of me.
part of me, part of me.
You will always be,
the best
part of me.
You will always be content with that 10% and all the feelings you done left me with. Hard times, good times, through it all, now my mind make hella sense. I'm here, but I still gotta question my relevance. False hopes, I done filled my mind and now it takes time to get rid of it. No benefit, I feel the end of it. We both know there's no innocence, but in a sense, I done made amends and that's fucked up. You can thank your friends, with a short stick, I'll take the end. If we reset, I'll play again. Forever is oh so short, but goddamn, I play this game to win. Tell me you don't feel it. When times real good and we both act silly. When times get bad and we both act distant. We both don't talk, then we drown in the pity. God, I wish we both can kill it for that 10%. Help me lose these feelings and I don't want nothing, just you in the city. All dolled up from the diamonds looking pretty, but always be my PYNT. On the tables, ladders, and chairs, I'm giving you TLNC. And I still think you see this as a one-way ass thing. Only thing that I wish is when I fail, you fail with me.
You will
Goddamn.
always be the best part of me. I said you will always be the best part of me. You will always be